Hello friends, how are you? Hope you guys are all well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today my topic is about the 5 human side of the HCl hydrochloric acid, human factors and psychology and assist technology. Okay, so Margaret Janel Lewis PhD, University of Idaho. So moving toward my topic, three parts. This video will consist of overview of the human factors psychology, primer in the cognitive psychology, introduction to the computer access and assistive technology. Okay, so in the note that we have written that what a human side of the HCl, what are the human considerations that we need to know to take an account when designing computer applications. Put another way that you can see that uh, then we will explore that what is what cognitive psychology has to contribute to the field, and finally we will consider some special needs situations. Okay, so what is the human factors? As I have explained you before, the application of the psychological principles to design the human machine systems, human factors, professional develop models of human performance that can aid designers of the human machine systems. After that, what is a human factor? The next slide is Meister 1989, the study of the how humans accomplish work related tasks in the context of the human machine systems operation, and how behavioral and non-behavioral variable affect the accomplishments. What is the human factor? Meister behavioral refers to the psychological constraints. How do human process information? Non-behavioral refers to physical constraints. Can a human psychological work or control? Emphasis in human factors is on design. How should a system be designed to accommodate a human operator? After that, the number 6 slide is contributing fields: engineering, human factors, ergonomics, psychological medicines, engineering psychology, etc. Okay, how does a human factor differ from the experimental psychology? Experimental psychology is a scientific study of mind, brain and behavior. Why do humans think and behave the way they do? Human factor is the study of the human behavior in the context of the technological systems. How should we design a system to accommodate the way humans think and behave? The history of the human factors. WWI, the personal selection psychometricians, WWI, and the genesis of the human factors on engineering psychology. Personal selection continue to the emphasis if fit the man of the job. Human performance experimental psychologist fit the job to the man. The number 9 is the history of the human factors. Post WWI, formal human factors research laboratories established in 1945. Air Force established the Aeromedical Research Laboratory. Engineering Psychology 1945. Navy establishes psychological research units. Under number 10, the history of the human factors. Formal human factor research laboratories established in 1951, and the human engineering laboratory. Many military and the civilian scientists returned to the universities and the continue human factors research. The number 9 is the application emphasized during the 1950s and 1970s. Military systems, civilian aviation and manned spacecraft, transportation systems, process controls and nuclear power safety, everything. Other applications emphasized since the mid 70s: human computer interaction in virtual environments, medical systems. The number 13 is the why is the human factor important to the computer science. Human factors psychology examines the capabilities of the humans and how these constraints and abilities affect the design. Okay, therefore it is concerned with the cognitive issues and research concerning humans, the interpretation of the stimuli and our abilities to deal with the certainty situations. The goal is to design systems that with these capabilities and the limitation in the mind. Okay, so everything is explained. Okay, so goodbye, meet in the next video.